Hi, I'm Suzey McCrae in the United States of America, and let's celebrate International Women's Day. So early on, as a child, I have a very supportive mom who always told me, Suzey, you can do whatever you put your mind to. I feel truly blessed and grateful that I was surrounded with that kind of support my entire life and throughout my entire career. I always felt that being a woman really made no difference. If anything, it was instilled in me that I was a strong person, and I continue to be a strong person to this day. I am a proud founder with a company called Onpassive, and Onpassive is the epitome of helping empower women, especially, to be the best that we can be. Also, part of feeling empowered as a woman is making sure that we definitely take care of our health and happiness. And I have found that in Onpassive, that it helps empower me, and it also helps me remain happy and healthy. And I just want to end with one of the favorite quotes that I grew up with as a child, and it resonates in my mind every day. It's from Eleanor Roosevelt, who's a former First Lady in the United States. And she said, "No one can make you feel inferior without your permission." Once again, no one can make you feel inferior without your permission. So I just say, be strong, surround yourself with other people who are empowering and who are healthy and happy, and enjoy International Women's Day. Thanks.